Hi, my name is Dave McLean. I speak and write on leadership from the banner of Wholehearted Leaders, and I also have the privilege of working with leaders, CEOs, executives, and entrepreneurs with the organization known as the Executive Committee Canada. And one of the things I know about leadership is that great leadership is always built on great character. Character is the foundation upon which good leadership exists. Ron Cannon has fabulous character. He's a man of integrity. He's a man of honesty. He has great work ethic. He values all members of his constituency. The respect that I see him showing all different people within his constituency is very impressive. I have loved to watch Ron grow in stature as a leader, built on his character of making sure that he serves this community wholeheartedly. I've watched how he comes to the aid of people in all manner of scenarios, whether it's support at the municipal level, the provincial level, or the federal level, where he steps in and says, hey, how can I help you? How can I assist? How can I facilitate people coming alongside you to solve your issue? I've watched Ron do this in our lives and in lives of people that I know. And he all the while does this in a way that values people. He's a great communicator. He's trustworthy beyond belief. And he's the man that I think can best represent us in Ottawa. I've had the privilege of working with some people in Ottawa and hearing Ron's reputation from the people who he works with in Ottawa. And Ron's reputation is of someone who values people, someone who works hard, and someone who is tenacious when it comes to getting things done. So in this federal election on October 19th, there's only one choice for me. Ron Cannon has my vote.